This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to update Ampero firmware step by step. Backup presets immediately and verify your current firmware version in the menu. Prepare a properly formatted USB drive or computer transfer and confirm you have the correct firmware file from the manufacturer. Keep the unit powered and avoid interrupting the update. Follow on-screen prompts, wait for completion, and verify functionality by testing presets and signal path after the update. Start by locating the official firmware file and reading the release notes for compatibility and changes. Rename or place the file exactly as the update guide prescribes, and verify checksums if available to avoid corrupted transfers. Format your USB drive to FAT32, then copy only the required firmware file to the root directory. Safely eject the drive, and make sure the Ampero has stable power and no effects are plugged in that could interfere. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and patch notes while you work, and it fits easily in a gig bag or tech drawer. Look in the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the firmware file on the USB drive, power off the Ampero and insert the drive into the correct port. Hold the Update or Designated button while powering the unit on to enter firmware update mode, then release when the screen indicates progress. Monitor the on-screen status and do not disconnect power or remove the drive until the process finishes and reboots. After reboot, confirm the new version in the system menu and test signal flow and presets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.